mix it around like this before. You know? Yeah, rolling up nice. Pimento acido. Yeah, man, I like it. But you know, catch it and them kind of water. Put on the fire now. Yeah man, that's a street vibe thing, man. I know, it's the boy thing, you know. A street thing, you see me? Yeah man, King go and baby down now. That's a cold, you know man. Right, so in the meanwhile, the callaloo I go and steam down. What am I gonna do? Get the scallion, the onion, add a little flavor thing them, get them cut up and come drop them in the pot. So stay tuned for all of that. So I get all the, we have the bell pepper, yardman pepper, we have some okra, we have some tomato. You also have the scallion. So anyway, you have onion in the bag or jar for the onion. So anyway, I get the onion, dice up and now, you see me? So you can get it, if you chew up on the callaloo, you see me? One bad chef, you know, one Penkus. Yeah man, get the onion and deal with it, you know? People, remember, you know, like, share, and subscribe, you see me? Yeah man, get the carrot, dice up the right and properly way. End of the day when the callaloo cook and all of that, can get the fish them salt out after. So we're going to use the callaloo stuff with the fish, along with some crackers. And we got the real strong back, call that okra, you see me? Yeah man. No joke thing on here, my people. Yeah man. Get the okra them dice up the right and properly way. Yardman pepper, you see me? Yeah man, very hot pepper too, you know. The pepper in the man. Done no pretty boy thing, you see me? No risk that thing, you see me? Outside with the outside, one enjoy yourself. Right on the beach front, pretty beach, you see me? Yeah man. Let's make yourself happy, you know? So we do it, you see me? Look up some time, you know? Yeah man. Yeah, my people, dropping everything I know, you see me? Wow, look at that man. Pretty, you know, boy? Wow. Tonight, and you see me? So we're gonna match up it today. The Callaloo, match up. Nice way. With the doctor fish. We're gonna use the Callaloo and stuff in the middle of the doctor fish. Get them wrapped with the foil paper and put it on the fire, you see me? And I got fry 2 plantain and 2 flitters same way, you see me? Yeah man. I'm just going straight through my people. My people. I'm gonna drop some pimento seed, you see me? Yeah, my people, I'm gonna drop some pimento seed. Just remember now my peeps, whatever you're doing, if you have your rice and peas, whatever you cook, pimento seed. Nice in your food, you see me? Yeah man, smell the fragrance. Whoa, oh my god. Yeah man, so I'll make it go and simmer down. So I'll get back the pot cover back up now my people. Yeah man, get it cover back up. Make it Callaloo go and steam out.
A few minutes later.
Yeah my people, I'm gonna give the Callaloo a test now, you know. Make sure it's ready, you know. Yeah man, look at this my peeps. Look at this. Wow. Look at this man. Oh god. Ready man. Ready, you know. Yeah my people, I'll get it come off for now, you know. Yeah man, I'll get it take off for now. Yeah man. Yeah my people, I eat this thing. Yeah man, just come off of the fire. Looking so good. So what I'm gonna do now, I'll get the flour dumpling mix out right away. You see me? And then we just start getting the dumpling them fried. So I'm just going to stay tuned for all of this. You see me? Nice, wonderful evening. Very epic day. Can't get better than this. On the seaside. Everybody outside enjoying themselves. Cannot get better than this, you see me? So hope you guys who are watching the video, hope you guys enjoying yourself too, you know, you see me? I'm already there with fireball man. One fireball in the place, you see me? Richie did it. Not nice. But I say fireball. The flour they mix out and now, you know. Yeah. Get the flour mix out and now. Not too much. Chocolate brown. Another drop. Piece of butter. Now the flour same way. Wrap piece of plantain. It's a ripe plantain. I go drop it in the flour same way. Yeah man. And we also have we season them already cut up. I go drop them in the same way. Get them diced up very fine. fish season. Yeah man, straight multi fish season, you see me? Mix it around like this before. Have it mix it like this. Make sure you use your fork or your spoon. Beat out the butter. Make sure you get the butter worked out. Also the plantain, get it worked out. So I'm gonna do it like this, my people. Make sure you get everything grind out the right and properly way. Work in your butter, in the flour. Take your time, don't need to rush. Take a slow little time. See that style what I do to the peeps? I style your name Vietnam language. So now stay tuned for the Vietnam language, Zane. The frying pot put on, you know? Get the frying pot put on. Get the oil train of the frying pot. I'm gonna fry some fritters, you know, you see me? Get 2 pieces of pepper. Train of the pot, you see me? Loving on my art. Just remember, like, share, and if you don't subscribe as yet, just remember, please subscribe, Zine, and enjoy yourself watching the video, Zine. Yeah man, don't know it's your boy Penkus, you know, me there again, you know, my people, me there again with the epic adventure them, you know. Yeah man, me there again man with the epic adventure them, so let's go and stay tuned. We are going to get the dumpling them fry. Yeah man. Let them fry and look good right and properly there. Check it. Go and get the fritters them stirred, you know. Stirring, you know. So they got the first stirring and all, you know. Yeah man, got a coat. Yeah man, just go and stay tuned to all of that, you see me. Get the nice flour dumpling and come out that pot, you know, my people. Yeah. First set coming out of the pot, you know, my people, you see me. Yeah, wow. Nice and pretty, you know. Chocolate brown, you see me? Yeah man, rolling up nice. So any of my people, I'm going to drop in some more in the meanwhile. So I'm just going to stay tuned for all of that. People, last one leave, you know. Yeah man, last one this leaf, last dumpling I get fry right now. So after we get this one last one fry, I go take it out and then we start look about the fish them, you know. Get the fish them stuff with the callaloo with some crackers and get it salt out, you see me? Yeah man, so we just go and stay tuned to all of that, my people. The last one, you know. Yeah man, I eat this, you know. Yeah man, eat this, my people. Yeah man, looking so nice and lovely, you know. Yeah man, I eat this. Right and properly, you know. Some mad fish seasoning, you know. magic come with salt tonight already. So remember now my people. Remember now, just use a little bit of butter. And let's rub it like this. Yeah man, let's rub it just like this man, isn't it? Yeah man. Let's flatten the fish just like this. We'll get a callaloo now, you see me? We'll get a callaloo. Oh, look how we do it now. We'll take all like this. And we're going to stuff it down we're going to use it and stuff it down inside of it. Like that, you understand me? Yeah man, just look how you do it people. Stuff it inside of the fish like this. That's the fish I use, you see me? Yeah man, stuff it inside of the fish. Put the crackers first. Do 2 crackers like this. Yeah man, that's it. Yeah man, now just put some more callaloo. Put on it like this, you see me? Yeah man, look at that now my people, look at that. Then how you look. Like this. Yeah man. Try to wrap like this. Yeah man, try to wrap like that. Then the same water we use and put the callaloo. Wow, you just want the same water in this like this. Remember now my people, that's how you're doing it, you see me? Then you do that twist. You should wrap it right top of the way. Yeah, you wrap it right on top of the way. You have to put it on right here so. Pick up another one. Another one, you see me? So remember now guys, make sure you watch and learn, you know. Yeah man, so this fish. That's what I remember you know, always stuff the seasoning down on the fish. So you don't know sweet to the belly like Shelly. Yeah man. Just remember you know. So I'm gonna eat up the okra. You them think it tough like, you know, no man, I eat her like a jelly. That's why I have to dig up Shelly, because she no want no jelly. Yeah man, you get the damn self Shelly. So remember now my people, always make you see you wrap the file paper the right and proper way, make you see you twist the end of the file paper. So your juice in the file paper don't get to leak out, you see me? And if your juice leak out, the thing will start burn. As I said before, everybody look about for them. Fish different, you know. You see me? But I'm not be this. So we look about our own. Yeah man. That's how we look about our own. I'm not be this, yeah. Yeah man. Just remember guys, I'm asking you now, if you're watching the clip and you don't subscribe as yet, I'm asking you to just press the little button and just subscribe. And always remember to leave a like, share the video my people. And I ask you please use your discussion and share the video. Use your discussion and make sure you subscribe. Tell a friend and tell a friend. And remember guys, whoever watching the video, just always remember, press the like button people, share the video, tell a friend. Penkus is back with another epic adventure, you see me? I got Richie, epic. Alright. Yeah my people, that are cool, you know. Yeah man, so we get the fish them salt out and all, huh? You don't want too much cold. Don't want it burn. Yeah, I don't want too much cool, don't want it burn, so number 1, huh? Number 2. So them three are going salt out on the menu, let's mess with the people. Yeah. Yeah man, let them go and set and start out. Yes man, that a code in you see me. Yeah my people, wonderful day, you know? It's a beautiful day. How is this? One not nice. Yeah, my lovely people. Yeah, man. If we couldn't get the view to, you know, my peeps. You know, whatever we see, you guys are seeing it too. Remember, you know, guys, when I leave when I'm up behind, you know. Everywhere I do, I do that with me, you know. Yeah, man. Thank you, guys. Thank you a lot, my lovely people. Respect a lot for the lovely support. You see me? Yeah, man. Like how you guys supported me a lot. Really appreciate of that, you know. Yeah, my people. Just remember, you know, one love, you know. I one thing do, I'm not a liar. To how the sea look, how the water look, come like something you can walk on. Just come like you can see oil on top of the water or something. That look good, I swear. Catch a cloud in the background, man. Watch a view, and my people. Check out the view, man. Oh gosh. Yeah, man. Nice day, you know. Out with the team as usual. Nevertheless, do the right thing, you know. Yeah. Nevertheless, my people. Checking back. Can you real Dr. Fish down? Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, just remember to like, share, and subscribe. You know, see the schoolers them I go through the schoolers them, but they subscribe to the channel. Big up on yourself in the schoolers. Yeah, man.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe and comment to Penkus Spearfishing. Isn't it? Big up on yourself. One love.
Cool and Jovie, big up on yourself, you know. Yeah, man, that's right, Jovie. Yeah, my people. Get them set on, you know. You guys, I hate that, you know, my peeps. So, the last 3 fish this we have or look out. So after we finish look about them last 3 here, I go consume some food, you see me? Yeah? Just remember them people. Out with the outside, I do the right thing. Nice environment as I said before. Man, the team, the out, don't know not nice behind the camera. Which over there so with them data. I will come link up with the bob up on the beach. I go and do some hustling, same way, you see me? They don't know enough people have to hustle. You see me? Guys, nothing come easy. You have to work for your want, you see me? So anyway, my peeps, I don't know. I'm there again, you know. I'm there with an epic adventure. You see me? Yeah man, I have the epic adventure fun in my peeps. Just remember my peeps. To like, share, and subscribe and give me the strength, you know what I mean? As I said before, if I one person I watch all the video them, I now stop with this. Me still have the video for the one person, you see me? Yeah man. Just remember guys, like, share, subscribe and leave a comment. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Penkus is back. Right, this you know. Yeah man. Listen people. Come around. Upon them the peeps, them that. You see me? Yeah. Nice, you know? Yeah, me not lie, but you know. Carrot, everything look good. Oh my god. Nice Dr. Fish, you know?
Epic, isn't it? No joke, night.
Nice and lovely, no? Fried dumpling, nice. Remember now guys, we have tomato and fried dumpling. We have pepper. We have onion. You name it. Man, nevertheless. You're at the time, you know?
The sunset there. See it there? Baby them on the beach, eh? We'll catch it down on the water side. We'll catch it. See it there? The water side. Put it up back, man. Wrap it and put it up. Put it up back, buddy. Wrap it.
I fight for go through fish. Knife a stick up.
Can hold one that see me.
Remember my people, like, share and subscribe. Nice Callaloo with okra and everything. Nice Dr. Fish. Very nice and delicious Dr. Fish. So sweet, you know? Wow. Like this, man. So easy to go through. No problem. Wow. Man, we're there, the yard are broad.
Fireside, yeah. Fireside, that, you know. Things ready and the wait, hear me. You know how it go. The whole of the big building, them there and sitting them. You know how we there. You know the rules, just come down people. See there? Big fish them on the fire there. You know they going up people.
Remember in a piece. Remember to like, share, subscribe and leave a comment. And respect to each and everyone who start watching the clip from its start until the finish. Really appreciate of you guys, you know. Remember, you know, you guys make me there right now, you know. Over 1,000 subscribers. You guys do it. And just remember, give me the strength, see me. You don't know, as I said before, if I one person, I watch the clip, when I put it up, I not stop do it. You go always do it for that one person. So just remember guys, you know, it's your boy Penkus. Remember to like, share, subscribe and leave a comment, you see me? Yeah man, big up Ras behind the camera.
Do the right out there. Bad.